Learn how to make this beautiful Christmas tree to decorate your home. To begin, we will cut a piece of paper that measures 14 centimeters. After that, we'll mark the paper in the shape we need. Next, we'll use some hot glue to securely attach the edges and create the cone shape for the tree. Now, we'll take green pipe cleaners and cut them into many pieces, each measuring 6 centimeters. Once we have all our pieces ready, we'll shape them into loops to give the appearance of tree branches. The next step is to glue these looped pipe cleaner pieces all over the cone, covering the entire surface. Continue this step until the whole cone is fully covered with the green pipe cleaner loops. Once the tree is completely covered, we'll bend and adjust all the pieces to give the tree its final shape. This helps create the look of a full, fluffy Christmas tree. Now, it's time to add the star. We'll cut a small piece of foam in the shape of a star and attach it to the top of the tree using hot glue. To finish off the tree, we'll take another pipe cleaner, perhaps in a different color like gold or silver, and wrap it around the tree to add a decorative touch, mimicking garland.